afternoon. I'm Eric Yo. I'm a conventional kind of businessman. No need to run my business in the conventional way. And for my business, I need a lot of cash flow. Every month, the burn rate is very high. So at one point, sometime in April, I get my digital marketing manager to assist me to look for an investor. Because sooner or later, we cannot keep on doing business in the traditional way. That's how we researched and came upon PIF from social media. Yeah. So the sales from the PIF contacted me to explain to me what is PIF all about. And then actually, this is the first time I heard about capital entrepreneur. So I get so curious about it. So I get to know more by coming down to PIF office to see for myself and then to attend one of the IPO seminar. That's where I get interested, and I feel is a way for me to get into the capital market. So I want to learn more about what is that all about on capital market and how to use equity funding instead of coming out with cash from my own pocket, borrowing from banks. Yeah. So this is how I decided to join PIF Diamond Package. It's a leap of faith, which I think they can help to guide me through my this business journey to be a capital entrepreneur. Thank you, PIF, for giving me this opportunity and willingness to guide us through this period. And in the near future, we hope that through this journey, we can one day go IPO. Thank you.